grocery shopping. Oh, maybe it's kind of like grocery shopping. I went to this is like a couple of bucks. Where did I go? I went to an antique store and I found some. It was like 4 for $1. I hate these little thin bags. This is a planet killer. That's a planet killer. That's a planet killer. That's me missing the trash can. All right, now the prices on here are wrong because they're all wrong. I think I paid like $12 for all this stuff. I got why do people use? Don't they like? Can we stop making the shitty Scotch tape that doesn't come off? Remember this? Anybody remember in the 80s when Scotch tape was that really thick, like it was like packing tape? That wasn't this cheap shit they used for Christmas presents. It was that really heavy duty stuff. Maybe that people don't remember it. Maybe I'm the only one that complains about tape. Anyway, I found this thing, which says, I'm assuming it says Bernard O'Neill. It's a little thing. I thought it was cool. It was with the whole pile. I'm assuming it's homemade. It's a clamp. It's missing the little thing on there. I also found a vintage USA-made Craftsman screwdriver. Mini. Why am I buying them? I don't know. It was like 4 for $1. I found this. What is it? It says 95 cents on it. It's mainly, it wasn't 95 cents. They were 4 for $1. It's a little, what do they call that again? I don't remember what the hell. I forget what this thing's called again. What's the name of it? Brain fart. Torx. Yeah, torque bit. Yeah, torque bit. So yeah, that's the torque one. Found that one. I was hoping there was a whole set in there. And I found this one right here. Torx. Yeah, duh, it says right on it, see? Craftsman, and it says, nope, it doesn't say torque on it, does it? This one says torque. Craftsman, can you see that? Craftsman, where is it? Torque. Torque. There we go. Black handle. Not bad. And I also picked up got the mini one. Picked up a miniature little pliers. That was with it. See, I don't know if there's any name on it. No name brand one. I'm guessing there's no real, I don't know if you can see that. There's no real markings on it. I might just throw it in the buffer and see if I can buff it until it glows in the dark, basically. I don't see a name on it anywhere. Nope, nowhere. No markings, just probably made in Taiwan, for all I know. It was cheap. I got drool on me right here. There's that one. I found ox weld. This thing. I'm assuming this is a thing to clean the tips on a welder. I know I don't have one of these. So I picked one up for what? I think it was like 50 cents. What does it say on here? Tip cleaner, standard set. For drill, 76, 77, made in USA. Still good. In case I need one. In case I need to clean my nose hairs out. Whoa! Stab something in the eyeball. Yeah. So anyway, that was in the package. I don't remember what this is for. Looks like someone's, looks like some phallic. Anyway, put that in the welding drawer. I also picked up a made in USA gun latch. Oh, this wasn't $2.95 either. It was part of the. Let me take the thing off here. Nothing like. I hate this tape. It never comes off. Like, what the hell? Okay, like, it doesn't wanna. It's like release the hounds, man. Come on. Let's see. You're watching me. You're watching the video of me peel tape off a putty knife. Well, I want to take it apart though. See what's in the inside. So anyway, there's I think this bolt's on wrong right here. Let me use my fancy. I got tape all over my fingers now. Do you hate when it happens? You get tape stuck to your fingers. Make it off. Let's see. Got a screwdriver here. This is the question, do I have a screwdriver now? Put this here. There we go. Take this screw out of here. Let me pull this down a little here. Down, down, down. They're going to burn in hell. There we go. Screws on backwards. So anyway, I'll take this part here. Does it come apart? No, it's taped together. So tapity tapity. Come on. I want to come apart. What the hell is it doing? How does it come apart? Oh, there we go. That's just that. Ta-da! I'm guessing it goes... Oh, okay, that goes in like that. Right there. I don't have any blades for it right now, so... I'll get some. See this? Oh, that goes... And it goes, has a little slot there, see? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's neat. Wait, let me put this back together. I think I get it now. Put this in there. This in there. Use my itty bitty screwdriver, which won't work. So if I go like this, oh, you push that down. That's neat. Oh, I get it now. I get it. I'm not blonde anymore. I'm not blonde. I get it. Tighten this up a little here. Push the button and it slides open. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Take this ugly sticker off here. I see people online collect these, what do you call it? Drywall knives. And no, I'm not starting a drywall knife collection because I don't really use them, but every now and then I'm like, should I buy that for 50 cents? And part of me is like, do I really want to start a new collection of something? And I'm like, no. But you're always tempted. I laugh or I joke with all the people who collect toys, plastic toys, and I'm like, yep, 200 years from now, your toy, if we could live 1,000 years, 200 years from now, their toys will be all turned to dust, and either my screwdrivers will all be rusted, or they'll still be used, covered in cosmoline. I have a feeling the price went down several times on this, because there's several price tags. So that's pretty cool. It's got a button on here, which... If I can get this paper, this tape off here, might work a little better. Come on, off, there we go. Da-da-da-da-da-da. There we go, got that off. Got a little more tape off here. It's got to be a better way. So this little button here, if I get this tape off my finger, the little button goes, and just goes like that. It's like a ninja star. Wow. Okay, got that. And to top it all off, I bought this thing. It was let me take the shitty no-name price tag off here, which wasn't even the price. So this is a All-Way Tools. I don't know if it was made in Timbuktu or All-Way Tools. It's a scraper. It's got paint on it. I guess it's paint scraper. I'm pretty sure that's not really a blade. It's for kind of like, let me turn this down a little here. Let me lower this here. How about, there we go. Just good for scraping, see? It's got a little flat end here, like so. Put this back up here so you can see. Yeah, it's got a little flat end. It's just a screwdriver in there. It just unscrews like that, and I guess you can turn it around, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah, just kind of sits in there like that. I'm assuming nobody makes blades for these anymore. Just maybe it's just a piece of metal, who knows? It's pretty cool. It's got a little paint spot in there. It's metal, and I'm guessing it's just popped together. There's no real way to look at it or take it apart or whatever. Well, let's see, what is that? I don't want to break it. Anyway, see? I think that's it. That's all I picked up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles, my leg's itchy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like all these gizmos I get. Do I need them all? Probably not, but hey, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Toodles.